Sorry about that. I had a message and apparently it cuts my video off when I check it. So anyways, that's free. Now I just need to take this 10 mil off. Stuff it all over my hardware. Ooh, that wasn't 10 mil. But it's working. Must have been what was the next size be? 3/8, 7/16. Throw a $200 ratchet on the floor. Something like that. Alright. That should be it. She should be loose. So, show you here what we've done. So basically, these 4 bolts here, we pulled the nuts off the bottom. We undid the safety cable that went to the sensor for the hose, and that's it. We're gonna pull this thing off of here and set it on the ground. Let's see if I can stick the camera over here in such a way where it won't fall. Hey, how's that? Alright, I'm going to just ease this down. About right there should be good. There we go. Alright, she's off. Let's dump this trash. Prep new engine. So we've got a battery here that we're going to need cables for. Plate of wood. Awesome. Yeah, I'm going to trip over that. Owner's manual. Styrofoam. Make sure you lift with your back only in a twisting and jerking motion. I hope I don't have to say I'm kidding. All right. It says we must add oil. Spice packet. definitely use that. And I've got 2 bolts. Take off the bottom. Well, this is about as awkward as it can be. Ooh, head rush. Okay, we're going to break that one off. Solve that problem. Flip this around. Remember, lift with your back, just in jerking motion. The engine itself is not that heavy. That looks about where the other one was. Oh, hardware. I guess I should add, probably a wise thing to do is to make sure this is the right size shaft. And it is. Not that I think Harbor Freight would. Yeah, they probably would. No, they're doing okay. I haven't had any problems with any of their products other than a small pencil grinder that I got from them, but it was, oh gosh, that was years ago. And the problem I had was the hose where it fit on the grinder itself just kept popping off. So now these nuts that mount the engine to the plate, I'm only going to start these. Because if I need a little wiggle room to get everything to line up, I don't want to have to pull them back loose to make that happen. So the downside with this whole issue and being a small business owner and all that good stuff is crew is actually out there today on a property cleaning up leaves. And instead of being able to just run the vacuum over it and suck it up, oh goodness. There's jets in this bag. We're not gonna mess with that and pretend we didn't see it. Add oil, add fuel. Okay. We have a key. That'll get lost. And then we kind of have to figure out what we're going to do with this battery. I guess I could make sure that the engine is free. I have a quick start guide for you. So there is where our positive battery cable goes. And then we ground it to the case. Interesting. So I have to figure out where we're going to put this battery. Mount it right here. Here. That's going to be a task for when the rest of this is put back together. I thought about, using the battery off the trailer, and my end decision with that was that the cables would be almost 15 feet, and by the time I buy all that cable, do the ends, route it, deal with employees ripping it off and breaking it, it was just easier to spend $50 and buy a battery, and then we'll run like 2-foot cables. So all right, we're gonna take a break, and we'll be back in a moment.